What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala games. Maybe going through a little ABC correction. We're seeing a 0.04383 up 6.7 on the day. Market cap 1.28 billion, 24-hour volume 176 million. Ladies and gentlemen, my signals are free. Here's last week's results: 10 wins, 0 losses, or 10 wins, 1 loss for a total profit of 403%. I cannot even count how many trades we've won this week. It's been absolutely stupendous. You can gain free access to my signals at the end of the video. We have over 2,700 members now. So looks like we could be going through a wave B for Gala. Of course, anything can happen. So far, you have a 3-wave move. But if we were to continue to push up and break these highs, then you can see a continuation breakout to the upside. But if we do continue to correct, we have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We roll over. This is our target zone, 0.02697, 0.03487. For our friend Gala, we had 4 trade signals this morning. 2 of them hit multiple take profits. Well, they all hit their take profits, but 2 of them hit TP1. They were stopped out at the entry, and the other 2 went to TP2, TP3. Yeah, so that's the plug. You can get free access at the end of the video. Daily chart. As we can see, we're holding that daily 20 EMA. We're just consolidating the wave 3 target. This is one of our swing trades for Gala. Already hit TP3. So the target is the 161.8 at 0.05754. So that's maybe where we're looking to go after this small correction. But it's good to see us consolidate, allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles. So if we get rejected here, watch that head and shoulders, pullback zone 0.026, 0.034. Could offer another trade opportunity. I'll give a signal in the Discord if I do end up taking a position. If we end up pushing up and we start to break these highs, then potentially that could be your pullback finish right there. You're going to see a straight breakout. We'll have to see how that plays out, but as of right now, we just have 3 waves up. So we can just assume it's a wave B unless we do end up creating one more higher high. But it all depends on our friend BTC. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. My subscribers only who sign up through my link get a 10% commission on their trading fees. Or MEXC, I trade on both exchanges. MEXC, you will need a VPN in North America. Make your first deposit, $10, $100, doesn't matter. Send me email. Completely free access. If we scroll down, I'll show you guys the trades from today. So we had, this is an ongoing trade. We had Pixel. Pixel just hit TP2, and Alice hit our TP1. GRT was just a TP1 trade. Anchor, we hit TP2. So there was 4 signals given this morning. We've been crushing it all week long. I gave multiple trade signals every day for crypto and Forex. Over 2,600 members, completely free access to my trade signals with a sign up to either BTCC or MEXC through my links in the comments, top of the section. All you have to do is make your first deposit, send me an email, and I'll give you completely free access to my trade signals. The best deal on YouTube. All links down below. Smash up the like button, subscribe if you're new. I think my delivery is here. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.